I don't know if you, oh, my lashes are coming off, wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shanneek. Today's video, I have a unboxing video. As you can see, I have all these boxes behind me. So I'm a new and upcoming lash tech, so I wanted to unbox all the supplies I bought for my lash tech journey. I watched a ton of videos on YouTube. Everybody gave great advice on what not to get and what to get. I made sure to write everything down. In total, for all my lash supplies, I spent $546.95. $546.95 on all my lash supplies, and that includes the lash bed as well. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm done unboxing everything. Let me show you guys. So this is everything I've ordered. The chair, the lash bed. So I'm going to give you all a detailed video and then just show you a little overview. So I've gone ahead and organized everything. So here are my under eye pads, my glue, my sealant. This is the lash shaker. I have my glue storage container over here, my prolonged lash concentrate, my tape. So I have everything that I would need all the time at the top layer, and all the other extra stuff like that's too much of underneath here. My bottles are underneath here, my mesh bags. So that is how everything looks, and I like this a lot better. So just keep in mind, you don't have to get the same products I did. Like I said, I did get a little bit more expensive products, and I kind of bought in bulk. You don't have to do this, so you don't have to spend as much. You can literally spend around $300 and probably get everything you need. So just keep that in mind. I got these foaming bottles. These are to make my own brand of lash bath. These were, let's see, these were $10.99 on Amazon, and it came with 12. So they're about 92 cents per a bottle. And to make my lash bath, I got the Pro Long Cleanser. This is what I was speaking about in the beginning. This is the concentrate. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's kind of thick, if you can see that. So you don't use this by itself. You have to mix it with distilled water. So I'm going to use about 1 cap of this, and then the rest distilled water. Y'all wait for that video. I'm going to show you guys how to make my own lash shampoos. And this was $43 with shipping. So I have these pink and blue spoolies from Amazon. These, I got a pack of 300. See, you don't have to get as much either. You can get 100. I got 300 to start with, and these are $6.89 for this whole pack. So that is about 2 cents per spoolie. So you see where I am saving here versus like me buying a smaller amount. I got some micro brushes. I got 500 in here for $7.59, and that is about 2 cents per a micro brush. And I'm just looking at my little book right here where I wrote everything down for you guys. Next on the list is a makeup brush cleaner. And I know you're like, why do I need a makeup brush cleaner? And this was $16, $15.99. And all these items I'm showing you first, I got them on Amazon. So, you know, it comes with a bowl and everything. And I can use this if I want to, you know, clean my makeup brushes. But you see, it comes with different sizes. Let me take it out and show you guys. So it comes with different sizes. You basically attach it like this. There's a piece missing, but you attach it like this, and you put your glue in here, and you just press this button and it turns it on. And instead of sitting there shaking your glue for 10 minutes like this, just shaking, because you have to shake your glue to mix all those ingredients. Here's the example of how the adhesive shaker will look. So I've attached everything. It doesn't have any batteries, but you would basically just click the power on button. I found the tube that best fits my lash adhesive, so I would just click the power on button, and it would just spin it and do its job for me. So yeah, get one of these. I also got these pink lash brushes, and I love that it came in a case, so I don't have to go out and buy like a little container for these. 30 of them for $17.99, so that was about 60 cents per a brush. So it pops off. It comes with like a little bag around it, but this is what I'm gonna put in my clients' little kits. And that's where this comes in. So like I said, I'm making my own lash shampoo, so I'll put this in the kits with it for them to purchase if they want. So I got these for my packaging. I feel like this is cute. My theme for my business is baby pink and blue. I got a pack of 100, and they're 5x7s. They were $10.98 for this whole pack, and that's about 11 cents per a bag. Lip gloss ones, as you can see here, and these are a pack of 400 for $9.89. So that's about 3 cents per a lip wand brush, only 3 cents. So yeah. I also got this bladeless fan. I love it, it's so cute, off Amazon as well. This was $11.98. Comes with like 3 different settings. That's the first setting, second, and third. So it has good power to it. I don't know if you, oh, my lashes are coming off. Wow. I'm just gonna ignore that, the fact my lashes are coming off. About these, it's 100 of these for $16.49. So that's about 17 cents per a under eye pack. And they come in this great packaging. Next, I have a indoor humidity reader. You're gonna need a humidity reader to figure out what level your glue is best working at. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was gonna be bigger, but as you can see, it's a miniature size. This is only $7.99. Glue storage container. So this basically, if you don't know, this is to help your glue not to dry out, because your glue will do that. So this just basically erases all like air and suction, and that's it. So you press it, so you can just lift it off, but before you close it, you have to press it and put it down, because it releases the air once you press it. It's $6.99. Lash tapes in pink and green. Like, how cute is that? 6 rolls are in here for $8.99. I also got this stool from Amazon as well. It can, as you can see, it rolls. It can move up and down. And this chair was $36.99. This lash bed is $157.99. So it's just a wooden one in black. Really great quality for this bed. It comes with different little like add-ons you can do, because it's really a massage table. So you can take, like, for example, you can take the centerpiece out. You can add on like a head part right here to it and put this on there. Super cool. Like, this is really good, and it's portable. So as you can see, it has like the little hands on there, so when you close it up, and you can put it in this bag right here. The very last thing I got from Amazon is this portable cart. So this is really for makeup artists, but I want to travel at home and do my sisters and mom's lashes. So I got this. A lot of people get a lash cart, but I decided just to get this. I feel like this is cleaner. It keeps everything more organized. I'm a very organized person. Plus, I have the setup in my living room, so I don't want to have everything just out all the time. This is her in her glory. She is so pretty. I love the color on this, and everything will be linked below for you guys. So this is another item you don't have to get as well. You can just get a little lash cart. It was $89.99. So pretty good deal on this, because they're normally way more expensive than this. And you can take this off, as you can see, and maybe you just want to travel with this. I can just travel with this, but I have this whole bottom part. It comes with the bottom sectional as well. You can remove that, and this is what the bottom looks like. Now moving on to everything that I actually got for lashes. Everything is for lashes, but the actual lashes themselves. And like I said, don't mind this lash, it's coming off. How ironic, but I'm not gonna redo this video. Got everything from Vi Lash Factory. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I made sure to do my research on what the best companies are, and this one they had good prices as a beginner. And I don't know, I feel like I looked at their self-fanning lashes and they look pretty good. So these are what they look like, and these are super soft, y'all. Let me show you guys. For example, let me show you that they're literally like velvet. Like, oh, they feel so good. D as well. Again, like, I just got different lengths, and then I got individuals. For the individuals, I got C and D right here. So I'm gonna eventually have to order more, but I also got some tweezers from them. These tweezers as well. This is their lash adhesive. This is their cream remover, so you can see. Sealant, so when I'm complete with the lashes, I can seal them off, so that way they don't have to wait so long before they can get them wet and stuff. You know, it's already sealed. This is what it looks like. Yeah, that completes everything that I got for my little journey. If you guys want to stay tuned, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll have a ton more lash videos coming out. I want to put more out on there because I don't feel like there's enough lash techs on YouTube. But yeah, make sure you guys do your research, see what best fits you. Like I said, you don't have to get all of this, you really don't. And my total for everything that I got, as you can see, I bought a lot, was only $546. So I feel like that's a pretty good. If I didn't list the price in the video, I'll link every single thing that I bought. Every single thing will be in the description box with the price, with the link, so y'all will be able to see all the products I got. You can add it to your cart yourself, and I'll link everything that you need to get started in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It will help a lot. I love you guys, and thank you for checking me out. Stay pretty and spoiled, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.